let us start the class. Today we are going to continue from yesterday, that is taking the revision of the chapter addition and subtraction. Okay, so in the last class we have learned about how to do addition and subtraction using the place value chart, that is with and without regrouping. Okay, so let me take a short recall of what is addition and subtraction. Addition is combining the number of objects or the numbers together, that means the numerals, and on the other hand subtraction is reducing the number. Okay, taking something from a collection. In addition, whatever answer we get, the answer is a bigger form. Okay, whereas on the other hand in subtraction the number is reduced. On addition it is increased because we have combined them, and in subtraction it has been reduced. The two signs are, addition is this plus sign and the subtraction is the minus sign. Okay, today I have taken a word problem here. Word problems are basically on real life situation, but this is also a word problems, and we have to find out what it is been asked. Okay, let me read out the question. This is example 6 that I have taken from page 44 of the textbook. Let me read out the question. What is the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number? Okay, so we already know the difference means, the word difference means minus, that means we have to subtract. Okay, so greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. We already know that. And the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay, and I have separated them using a commas. Okay, to separate the periods. Now to find the difference, okay, so we know when we have to do subtraction, because we already asked difference, we have to put the bigger number above and the smaller number below. So what is the bigger number here? 99,000 and 10,000 we got here. And what is the sign? The sign is the subtraction sign, that is the minus sign. So making the place value chart of this number, we can find out the answer in this way. Okay, the answer is 89,999. So how we got the answer? I have made the place value chart. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. TTH means 10,000. The number is 99,000 minus 10,000. Okay, so the answer we got is 9 minus 0, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 8. Okay, so in this way you can find out the answer between greatest or smallest number, or sometimes it might be asked also to add the greatest or smallest number. You just have to remember that if the word difference is given, then it is subtraction, and you have to remember the greatest 4-digit number, the greatest 5-digit number, as well as the smallest 4-digit and 5-digit number. Now how do you know it is a 5-digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers, so it is a 5-digit, and if it is 9, then it is a 5-digit, greatest 5-digit number. On the other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the numbers starting with 1 and having 0 are the smallest digit number. Okay children? Well, I have taken from page 44 is example 7. Okay, the question is already there. What number must be added to 84,890 to get the largest 5-digit number? That means what we have to add here to get the largest 5-digit number. We already know that the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Okay, now this number is there. Now this number is smaller than this. Okay, we already know that by looking at the number that this is smaller. Now with this, what we have to add so that that becomes equals to 99,999. So what we have to do to find out the answer, we have to subtract this number from this number. Okay, so 99,999. The sign for subtraction is the minus sign, and we get 84,890. Okay, now let me subtract the number making the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Okay, so what is the number? 99,000 is a bigger number, it will come up. And what is another number? 84,890. So I'll subtract the number. Okay, 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 8, 1. The answer we got is 15109. This is the answer we got. Okay. Now we don't know whether it is correct or not. Is this number that when we add with this we get 99,999. That is the largest 5-digit number. So we can cross check the answer. What you can do? You make another place value chart. Okay. You make another place value chart. Write the heading here: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So we have to add the numbers here. So what is the number here? 84890 plus 15109. Okay, 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. That means what we got the answer? We got the answer is the largest 5-digit number. Okay. So in this way you can do, and this you can cross check your answer whether it is correct or not. Okay children. One more thing I have to tell you about addition and subtraction is that there in page number 44 the pink color box is given here. See? Okay. So in this box there is written here, always remember that when we add a number to itself, the sum is double the original number, and if you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Suppose you have a number 10 and you add another 10 to it. What it is there? 20. So 20 is double of 10. Okay. Similarly, if you take 10 and you subtract 10, the same number, what we are getting? 0. So addition of the same number, the answer becomes double, and subtraction of the same numbers become 0. Is the lattice algorithm. Okay, so multiplication is also required for your unit test. And children, we are discussing about example 11 from page number 55. Actually this question is requested by Jyotisman Deka. Okay, so here some confusion she has asked me. And not only Jyotisman Deka, I request every children, if you have any doubt regarding any questions from the textbook or the workbook or any questions related to the topic, you can ask me or you can drop a message in my WhatsApp number so that we can discuss in the live class, or if the next day is, if there is no live class, then I can discuss in the YouTube class. Okay children, so you can suggest me some question also, and if you have doubt you can raise the question and we will be discussing. Okay, and the question is given here, find the missing number. Okay, so we have to find a missing number. Missing number we have already done, isn't it? But this is a bit different, like it is given a filling the blanks form. Okay, so what is given here? 2, 3, dash. Dash means one digit will come here, so that it will become 3 digit. Okay, into 4 into dash. Only one dash is given, that means one number will come here, that means it is a 2-digit number, and the answer is given here. So we know the multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. Okay, so how we have to find out? We have to find out using the lattice algorithm. For that I have drawn the lattice here. Now looking at the multiplicand, how many columns will be there? How many digits are here? 1, 2, and the missing number 3 digits. Okay, so 3 columns. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the next is a 2-digit number. So how many rows will come? 2 rows. 1 and 2. The multiplicand defines the number of columns, and the multiplier the number of rows. So these are columns, the standing one, and the sleeping one are rows. Okay, and the product is given here. So what will come above? The number will come 2, 3, and the number is dash here. We don't know the number. Multiplication sign you can give, and 4 and dash. You can give question mark also. Okay, since we are already finding out the answer, I have given the dash here so that we can put the numbers back in the position what has been asked. What is the given answer? 9954. So first I will make the slanting lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is given here: 4, 5, 9, 9. Okay. Now the lattice algorithm is already given in the book. Okay, instead of question mark I have given here the dash. Now we have to find out. Now with 4 what you will multiply, that you will get 28. The answer is 7. So 4 into 7 equals to 28. Let me check the answer with the other number also. So 4 into 3 12, 4 into 2 0. Okay, now we come to the next number. 7 will, what we will multiply here, that you will get 14. So what is the number? 2. 7 to the 14. 3 to the 6. Since it is a one digit number, we are putting a 0 here. Similarly here also. And 2 to the 4. 0 will come here. Now let me cross check the answer whether it is correct or not. Okay. So I will add the numbers in this way. So 4 will come here. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 9 plus 6 15. 1 will be go to the next place. 4 5 6 7 8. 8 plus 1 9 and 8 plus 1 9. This one is not shown in the lattice algorithm. Okay, so when you check your answers, you can get the 1 and you can add the numbers. Okay children, so in this way you can find out the missing number. Alright, so in the lattice algorithm what we got, in the blank first, in the multiplication, what we got the missing digit? The 7. Okay, and what is in the second one? In the second one we got 2. Okay, so if in the filling the blanks comes like this for the missing digit to find in the lattice algorithm, you can find out in this way, and after that you can fill up the blanks with the correct answer. Okay children, these are the topic I thought you might be having little doubt, okay, about addition and subtraction and multiplication. Alright, so before ending of the class, let me revise what we have learned today. Addition is about adding the numbers. Okay, the numbers increased when we add, and on the other hand the subtraction is reduced, the number is reduced. The sign for addition is the plus sign, I am saying again, and the sign for multiplication is the minus sign. Okay, don't get confused between the signs. And then we have done word problems related to the greatest and smallest digit number. And for subtraction, the word difference is used sometimes. Okay, so difference means also subtraction. And then we have learned one new thing, one thing that is that when we add a number to the same number, the number is increased and that answer becomes twice of that number. Okay, suppose I have taken 10, I am saying again 10, and then I add 10 with the, okay, so 10 times same number. What is the answer we are getting? 20. Now this 20 becomes twice of 10, 2 times of 10. So when we add a number to the same number in addition, the answer becomes twice of the number. The answer increased. On the other hand, when we subtract the same number, the answer becomes 0. It is reduced and it becomes 0. Okay. And then we have learned about the lattice algorithm. So lattice algorithm we can find out in this way. Multiplication denotes the number of columns and multiply denotes the rows. We put the numbers and we can find out the answer. After that you can put in the filling the blanks if it is asked. Okay children? So if you have any doubt like that, then you are free to call me, you can message me and ask me about it. Okay? So with this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.